Welcome back to Old Charles. Today we are talking about the Philippines 5 peso coin dated 1993 and why many people still search for its value and history. This coin was part of everyday life in the early 1990s and it carries strong memories for collectors and the general public alike. The 5 peso 1993 coin was issued by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas during a period of economic change and modernization in the country. The coin is round and solid, giving it a strong feel in the hand which made it popular for daily use at the time. On the front side, the coin features a national hero whose image represents courage, independence and national pride. This design reminds people of the struggle for freedom and the importance of remembering the past. On the reverse side, the coin shows the denomination and national symbols which reflect the identity of the Philippines as a proud and resilient nation. When we talk about the value of the Philippines 5 peso 1993 coin, we must understand that most of these coins were heavily circulated. Millions were produced and used in markets, transport and shops across the country. Because of this, the circulated value today is usually modest. For most examples that show wear scratches and fading details, a common circulated coin is often valued close to its face value or only slightly higher depending on demand and condition. However, collectors still enjoy keeping this coin because it represents a specific era in Philippine history. Condition plays a very important role in determining the value of this coin. If the coin is heavily worn with smooth surfaces and unclear details, then it is considered low grade and has minimal collector value. If the coin still shows clear facial features, sharp lettering and minimal surface damage, then it can attract more interest from collectors. Coins that were never circulated and kept safely may show original shine and strong details. These uncirculated examples are harder to find and are worth more than common circulated pieces, especially to collectors. Completing date sets. Another factor that affects value is rarity. Although the 1993 5 peso coin is not considered rare, certain variations, errors or well-preserved examples can be more desirable. Sometimes collectors look for mint errors such as off-center strikes or weak impressions. These types of coins can command higher prices depending on how unusual the error is and how well it is preserved. However, such pieces are uncommon and require careful inspection to verify authenticity. The history behind the 1993 issue also adds interest. During this time, the Philippines was experiencing social and economic changes and the currency reflected efforts to improve durability and design for everyday use. The 5 peso coin replaced banknotes in many situations, making it an important part of daily transactions for many years. This practical role is why so many people still remember this coin fondly today. For new collectors, the Philippines 5 peso 1993 coin is a good starting point. It is affordable, easy to find and rich in historical meaning. It allows collectors to learn about grading, coin care and Philippine history without needing a large budget. Storing the coin properly in a dry place and avoiding cleaning will help preserve its condition and potential value over time. The history of the Philippines 5 peso 1993 coin is closely connected to the changes in the country during the early 1990s. This period was marked by economic recovery and reforms. After years of political transition, the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas focused on improving the national currency to make it stronger, more durable and more suitable for daily use. Before this time, higher value denominations were often printed as banknotes, but paper money wore out quickly, especially in a tropical climate with heavy use. Because of this, the government decided to introduce stronger coins for higher denominations, including the 5 peso. The 5 peso coin series was designed to represent national identity and pride. The choice of a national hero on the coin was intentional, as it reminded citizens of the sacrifices made for independence and freedom. Every time the coin was used in daily transactions in markets, transportation and small businesses, it served not only as money but also as a symbol of shared history and values. The imagery reflected education, bravery and patriotism, which were important themes for the nation during this time. In 1993, the Philippines was modernizing its monetary system. New materials and minting techniques were used to create coins that could last longer in circulation. The 5 peso coin was part of this effort and was produced in large quantities to meet public demand. Because of its wide release, it quickly became one of the most commonly used coins in the country. People carried it in their pockets daily and it became familiar to all age groups. This coin also reflects the economic realities of the time. Prices of basic goods, transportation fares and small services often involved the 5 peso denomination, which made the coin extremely practical. Its frequent use explains why many surviving examples today show signs of where the coin silently witnessed everyday life, from jeepney rides to school expenses and local shopping. Over the years, as newer coin designs were introduced, the 1993 5 peso coin slowly began to disappear from circulation. However, it remains an important historical piece for collectors and citizens alike. It represents a moment when the Philippines was strengthening its currency and moving toward a more durable coin-based system. Today the coin stands as a reminder of the early 90s, a time of rebuilding hope and progress in Philippine history. The condition of the Philippines 5 peso 1993 coin is one of the most important factors when talking about its value and collectability, because this coin was used heavily in everyday transactions. Many examples today show clear signs of where a coin in poor condition will have very smooth surfaces with most of the original details faded or missing. The portrait may look flat, the lettering may be weak, and the date can sometimes be hard to read. These coins are considered low grade and usually hold little value. Beyond face value, a coin in fair to good condition will still show the main design but with noticeable wear on the high points. The face details will be softer and the edges may show small nicks or dents from years of use. The lettering and date are readable but not sharp. These coins are very common and are usually kept for sentimental or educational reasons rather than high-value. Coins in very good to fine condition will show moderate wear but retain clearer details. The portrait will still be recognizable with some facial features visible, and the text around the coin will be mostly intact. The surface may have light scratches from circulation, but overall the coin still looks presentable. Collectors often prefer this level when building basic collections because it balances appearance and affordability. High-grade coins such as very fine to extremely fine show only light wear on the highest points. Much of the original design remains sharp and clear. These coins spent less time in circulation and are harder to find. The edges are cleaner and the surfaces have fewer marks. These examples are more desirable to collectors and can carry a higher premium compared to common worn pieces. Uncirculated condition is the highest grade for the Philippines 5 peso 1993 coin. These coins were never used in daily transactions and may still show original